Hands-on with the Hyper Duo Pro USB-C hub. Hyper's Duo Pro 7-in-2 USB-C hub is designed with the new 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro 2021 models in mind, but it also works with MacBooks from 2016 through 2020 as well. The Hyper Duo Pro includes two magnetically attached grips, one for the new 2021 MacBook Pros and one designed for older 2016 through 2020 MacBooks. The magnetic grip can even be removed, revealing extended USB-C ports, allowing compatibility with MacBooks stored inside protective cases. Now, one single Hyper hub can replace multiple dongles because this hub features 7 essential ports. First and foremost, it features a Thunderbolt 4/USB 4 compatible pass-through, meaning you can take advantage of a 100-watt USB-C power delivery, connect to Thunderbolt 4 compatible devices, and even connect to external displays up to 5K at 60 Hz. In addition, the Duo Pro includes the following: HDMI with support for up to 4K 60, a retractable gigabit Ethernet port, USB-A 5 gigabits per second, USB-C 5 gigabits per second, micro SD UHS 1, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack. For me, I particularly enjoy having quick access to USB-A because I still have quite a few accessories that utilize that port. I also appreciate the retractable gigabit Ethernet port, which gives me access to a fast and stable network connection. Also, don't sleep on that micro SD slot. I found it particularly handy for offloading footage shot on my Skydio drone or my GoPro. True, this hub is an ideal fit for the new MacBook Pro, but the Hyper USB-C hub is also compatible with any USB-C iPad, Chromebook, or PC because it includes a flexible USB-C adapter in the box. This allows it to connect to even more devices. The HyperDrive Duo Pro will retail for $99, but early backers can score one for 50% off retail at just $49.99. Folks, if you're looking for a flexible and sleek way to add more essential ports to your MacBook, then look no further than the HyperDrive Duo Pro. Click the link in the description to get yours today, and special thanks to Hyper for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube.